Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy watching and want more, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple, helpful, and easy to understand. Let's jump in.
You want to embed a video directly into an Outlook email. It's a common request, but Outlook, like most email programs, doesn't allow true direct video playback within the email itself. This is primarily for security reasons and to avoid large file sizes. Instead, the most effective and professional method is to create a clickable image that links to your video. Here's how you do it. First, find the video you want to share, whether it's on YouTube, Vimeo, or another platform. Take a clear screenshot of the video's thumbnail or a compelling frame from the video itself. This image will serve as your visual preview. For an even better effect, you can overlay a small play button icon onto this screenshot using a simple image editor. This instantly tells the recipient that it's a video link. Save this combined image to your computer. Next, open your new email message in Outlook. Insert the image you just created into the body of the email. Position it where you want it. Now, go back to your video source and copy the shareable link for your video. Return to your Outlook email. Select the image you inserted. Right-click on the image. From the context menu, choose the link or hyperlink option. Paste the video's shareable URL into the address field. Click OK to apply the hyperlink. When your recipient opens the email, they will see your eye-catching image. Clicking this image will automatically open the video in their web browser, allowing them to watch it without issues. This workaround ensures your video message is delivered reliably and looks professional, bypassing the technical limitations of email embedding.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.